Now let's check the final output. See, here we got successfully connected to the Docker PostgreSQL. If you notice, just for the time saving, I have already opened my PostgreSQL database with a Docker pgvector contains one testing_db database which contains no tables. See, there are no tables here. Now my aim is I want to connect the database, PostgreSQL database, with a Docker connection string using Python. So first, let's find out our connection strings. Go to Docker pgvector, go to properties, connection. These are the properties I require to connect my pgvector database, local connection string. So switch back to the Visual Studio Code. This is a vector DB. Now first I am adding .env file. .env file is the most secure place to store our connection string properties or APIs, whatever the sensible information like the passwords. We need to store in the .env file only. Now I am adding is equals to, first I require the PostgreSQL because I am connecting to PostgreSQL colon. After this, I require my username. Go to PostgreSQL database. The username is Postgres. Copy this one. Switch over to our Visual Studio Code. Then colon. Now we need to add our password here. Here the password is my password. This is the dummy password I am adding. This is not the actual password. You need to add here in the password section your password to connect this Postgres connection string. And after that, at the host name, what is the host name here? Which is the local host. Copy this one, paste here, and colon. Now the last one is the port number. The port number is 5433. Copy this one. And after that, I need to connect this database connection string properties to my database, which is the testing DB. So I'm adding that. That's it. Now let's save this file. So after adding the connection string in the .env file, next step, I'm adding one more new file, which is the Python file. I'm adding here check underscore, the file name is the con.py, which is my Python file name. First we need to import OS, then import psycopg2. This is the package I need to we need to install. From here .env. Why I'm adding .env? Because I have stored my connection string in the .env file. So I need to access that file. For that purpose, I'm importing this load underscore .env file. Load underscore .env function. Then connection string, I am adding one variable. Connection string is equals to os.getenv is a method, takes a string parameter. Here what the string parameters I need to add? My database connection string name, this one. Copy this one and paste here. And after that, I'm adding try block con is equals to psy connect function, connect method. In this connect method, I am adding this connection string. Copy this one and paste here. Then print. If the connection string is successfully connected, I want to print this message: successfully connected to Docker PostgreSQL. then connection.close. If connection failed, I need to accept exception as e colon. Here I want to print connection failed. That's it. Let's save this file. Save. Now open the terminal, and here I'm adding python check underscore con.py. This is my Python file name. Click enter. Oops, connection failed. Let's check the connection here. Postgres. Here we require that /2 forward slashes. Let's save this file again. Save. Sorry about that. Now let's check the final output. See, here we got successfully connected to the Docker PostgreSQL. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment.